Hello everyone, my name is Shrishti and in this video, we will talk about some prepositions like at, in, on. These are very easy to understand. However, sometimes people face difficulty on using them at the correct places. So let us explore together. At is used when we are talking about some kind of position, location, place, or maybe a specific timing. Let us discuss some examples first. Write your name at the top of the page. That is telling you the location. There is a picture at the bottom of the page. There is a sunset at the top of this picture. There is a dog at the bottom of the painting. So these all examples are referring to the location, and also we can use at when we are talking about the specific timing. Example, I will meet you today at 5 p.m. So let's fill in the blanks together. At the end of the day, I often leave the office and meet my friends for dinner. I dropped my camera. I guess the camera is sitting at the bottom of the sea now. At the beginning of the story, the little girl was lost in the forest. The cat is sitting at the top of the stairs. She won't come upstairs. I can't find my keys, but I suppose they are somewhere at the bottom of my bag. You can usually find the table of contents at the beginning of the book. So all these sentences are talking about the location, some kind of position. At the end of the movie, you can see names of characters and actors. At the top of the painting, there were some white fluffy clouds. Now, describe these pictures as per your choice and you can share with us in the comments box below. Now, I have to use in all these pictures. Sophie woke up suddenly in the middle of the night. There is a table in the center. The lamp is in the corner. So in again, the second preposition, it can talk about some kind of location, but generally in is used when we are talking about an object, a person maybe, and the position is somewhere inside that. There is some water in the bottle, put the salt in the dish, whatever. The cinema is in the center of the town. I can't talk now. I'm in the middle of a meeting. The children sat in the center of the room. The sun is the hottest in the middle of the day. I'm sure these examples are really helpful to you. So the center and the middle. The center is the midpoint of an area. The arrow is in the center and he's standing in the middle. So the middle is the point between two sides. This is how we are using in the different sentences. In the corner for an area inside a boundary maybe. So as you can see from the picture, the boy is sitting in the corner of the room. The lamps are in the corners of the living room. Similar sentences, just we are talking about the location or maybe the position. So at the corner or on the corner, this can be also possible. At the corner of, okay, I'll give you an example first. She's waiting at the corner of the street. This is giving you exact position. Where is she standing? At the corner. And he's standing on the corner of the football pitch. So maybe on the corner is what is the location of that player that we are referring to. So prepositions can be used, different prepositions can be used in different sentences. It is just that we should analyze the intention of the speaker. So at the corner or on the corner, which is correct? You can use both. For all English speakers, at the corner, on the corner have the same meaning. Example, where are you? I've been waiting at the corner for almost half an hour. I have been waiting on the corner for almost half an hour, but you cannot use in the corner. So in these two sentences, at, on, both are correct. In, however, is not correct. Let's complete the sentences. There is a supermarket at the corner of Smith and Harper Streets. Okay. Can you see the 3 books on the shelf? Please give me the one in the middle. Alice Springs is a large town in the center of Australia. When I was a child at school, the naughty children had to stand in stand at the corner of the classroom. In the corner is wrong. Yeah. Who is that woman sitting in the corner of the room? Can you please, I'm sorry, who is that woman sitting at the corner of the room? Can you please place the vase of flowers in the center of the table or maybe in the middle of the table? Both are true. So this is how you will identify the difference between in, on, and at. Let me give you more examples. In Britain, people drive on the left of the road. In most countries, people drive on the right. Again, I'm referring to some kind of location. So let's match these pictures with this given sentences. The first one, the ingredients are on the side of the packet. The second picture, there are vacant seats on my left. And the third picture, the coffee shop is on the right on this street. So look around the room you are sitting right now. Let me give you some clues related to that. What can you see on the left? You do it right now, and I'm sure it will be really interesting. So on my left side, there is a bottle. Okay. What can you see on the right? On my right side, there is a wall. So you can use this picture, or you can actually explore your room and give us the comments in the comment section below. What is in the center of your room? So there is a table. What is in the corner of your room? A plant. Whatever you can see in your room, please share with us. So let's put these prepositions. I think you should hang that picture on the center of the wall. In this photo, I'm standing at the right-hand side. Your nose is on the center of your face. In Australia, people drive on the left. Kids, please don't play in the middle of the street. Walk 200 meters and you'll find a pharmacy at the corner of the street. I'd really like that statue at the corner of the room. Ladies and gentlemen, in your left, you will see a famous painting by Raphael. So this is a supermarket, how it looks like. So you can try to make sentences from the pictures. How? So there is a bottle of cola on the left side. There is a packet of chips on the top left corner. Okay. There is a bottle of iced tea on the right hand side. There are some chocolates in the middle. There is a soap, or there is another packet of some eatable in the center. As you like, make the sentences. You have one more picture to describe. Okay, let's explore together. So there is a horse in the center or in the middle. There is a beautiful house behind the street. The sun is shining on the left side. The tree is situated on the right side. However you want to make sentences, do that and share with us in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and good day.